So today's video is going to be us tasting
as many drinks as we can.
We're gonna try all the drinks off of the drink menu here at the resort. Dorado Royale. So this is the Mudslide. Ooh. That's good. Next up, mojito. Let me see it. Alrighty, go ahead, Tiffy.
Oh, that mint.
Oh, you don't like mojitos, do you?
Not really. I don't like minty stuff.
I love them. That's my first drink I always get when I come to Mexico.
It's gross.
I can't taste it when I ever have it. It's definitely strong. I taste the lime.
Mm-hmm.
I'm used to them tasting more sweet than this.
That is strong.
But it's very like limey, but it's pretty good. Yeah, I'll drink it. I think I just swallowed a leaf. Stuck in my throat. Okay, drink number 3. Margarita.
Tiffany's drink of choice all the time. Can't go wrong.
We already know that she likes this one. But you can go ahead and taste it anyways.
I'll taste it anyways. I might just down the whole thing.
Leave some for Amy.
With salt. Good job. It's good, isn't it?
I don't like salt on my lips. Ugh. Tiffany is back with drinks number, what is this, 4 and 5?
4 and 5.
Number
So
4 and 5
we
of
got
our
a Hawaiian Blue, and then this one is the Summer Breeze. So we're gonna try these.
Let's see them close up.
Like, not Hawaiian Breeze, Summer Breeze. This one's good.
Is it?
Oh yeah.
What is it called again? Summer Breeze?
Yeah, Summer Breeze.
It's definitely not what I was expecting.
No, but it's good.
It's okay, but it wouldn't be like my first choice. I thought it would be a little sweeter. This is the, what is it, Blue Hawaiian?
Blue Hawaiian, and it's a frozen drink. Let's try this.
It looks good.
It reminds me of back home.
It matches my cup.
Yeah, it does. It reminds me of a Superman.
I don't know
shot.
what that is.
It's a shot. I'm pretty sure it's a shot. I don't know. It's been so long.
Good. Is this your new drink?
I don't know because it has coconut in it.
Do you not like coconut?
I'm not a big fan of coconut, but this is good. I'm trying to think of what it reminds me of. It almost tastes like a pina colada. You have to try.
A little cheers.
Pina colada, right?
Yeah. I mean, that's exactly what it tastes like. It's just blue. But it does leave a weird like aftertaste in your mouth.
It does.
I don't know.
They're both good.
I mean, honestly, I think I would kind of.
I'm not actually. Yeah, I'm gonna go with the Summer Breeze at this point because I'm not a big fan of the coconut.
Like the aftertaste. It tastes like.
It's a lot of.
It tastes kind of like the aftertaste is almost like a fake sweetener taste.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it does.
Like it's very, very, very fake after. Fake
sweetener
aftertaste.
Sweet aftertaste. Oh my god.
We're not drunk yet.
We're not drunk yet. You just stay tuned.
What? How many have we done?
We done 4.
This was drink number 4 and 5.
4 and 5.
But
and we still have like 8 more to go.
But we haven't each drank 4 or 5 drinks. This is us sharing them.
Well, I'm on like I've drank 2 full margaritas.
Do you know how many drinks were on the drink menu?
There was a lot. There's like 15.
We're gonna try to get through them all today.
Today, maybe. We'll see. Next drink, a Bahama Mama.
I like Bahama Mamas.
That's not bad.
Bahama Mama. It's good. It's strong.
It is strong.
What is this one called? Something
Electric lemonade.
Electric lemonade. Oh.
Oh. It's mojito tasting almost with lemonade.
It's a little sour. It's not bad though. I don't think it tastes like a mojito.
I feel like I taste mint. You don't taste mint?
I taste like maybe like a lime.
Oh, maybe that's what it is, but
It's very kind of sour though.
it is. Okay.
This is a
11, 12, 13,
hurricane.
14, 17 more drinks to go.
So this is a hurricane, and we're gonna go ahead and retry it because we said it was a Bahama Mama, and it's not.
This is drink number 6 out of, and we still have 17 more drinks to go. Probably won't happen in one day. And I'm buzzed.
Hurricane. Yeah. Hurricane.
Yeah.
I think it kind of tastes like a little bit of like a sweet tart.
Yeah.
It's pretty good. I like it better than the lemonade one here.
Yeah.
We are on, what is,
So this is
I don't remember how many we've already tried.
This is 7 and this is 8.
Yep.
So this is the Bahama Mama.
Okay, Bahama Mama.
So I'm gonna try this. Good.
I like Bahama Mamas.
Bahama Mamas are good.
What is this in here?
It's a
Like a
dried,
dried pineapple? Oh.
Yep, dried pineapple.
Oh my god, that's so good. This is my drink.
Don't throw me away. That's what it says.
That's really good. All right, what's the next? Long Island, right?
Long Island iced tea. A Long Island iced tea.
Oh, strong.
It is strong.
I used to drink these when I would go out back in the day.
I like the Bahama Mama better.
Yum. I like Long Island. I don't remember what's in them, but I know it's a bunch of different alcohol, isn't it?
Something to get you buzzed.
I think these are probably 2 of my favorite that we've had so far.
Yeah.
15 more to go.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, I think we got like 15 more to go.
Yep. Whoop, whoop.
We are picking up 2 days later, 1 day later.
Yeah.
We didn't do any yesterday, so we're back today with the drinks. I don't remember the name of this one. Oh, it's not that I don't remember it. I don't know how to pronounce it. So I'll write it down below. And I guess I'll try it first because Tiffany's busy right now.
I'm busy with clients.
It's really sour. It's sour. It's okay. It's kind of like, I think the ingredients were a mojito basically without the mint. But I think I prefer the mojito.
That's sour.
I know, very sour.
All right.
And then what did you get?
I got a Dirty Monkey.
That's banana?
Banana and some other stuff.
You like it?
Yeah, it's not bad.
Kind of looks like those shakes we had earlier.
Mm-hmm.
Smells weird. Like butterscotch.
Mm-hmm.
I don't really taste banana.
I don't know what was in it. I taste banana.
I don't really like it. It's okay,
rum.
but I'm not a big fan. This is Havana Lights. It's very bright. Kind of reminds me of a Jolly Rancher. Like watermelon Jolly Rancher.
Oh, does it? I might have to go back and get one of those.
A little bit.
Havana Light. Yeah, Jolly Rancher.
All right, these are the next 4 drinks. Peach Bellini, Mai Tai, Woo Woo, right?
Yep.
Strawberry Daiquiri. Which one do you want to try first?
Daiquiri.
All right, Strawberry Daiquiri.
Daiquiri. These are, I already know these are good. Bottoms up. I gotta get all this stuff off the top. The foam.
Yuck.
Good. You can drink this all day.
Ooh, that is really good. Haven't had that in a very long time. That is good. All right, next up, I want to do the Woo Woo. I don't remember what was in here. Ooh, it smells like cranberry juice. That's good. It doesn't even like taste strongly of alcohol or anything.
Okay, this one can get you in trouble.
Yeah, because you can't taste any alcohol.
I can't taste any alcohol.
I'll have to look up. I can't remember what alcohol was in there.
Pretty sure vodka.
Oh yeah, I think you're right.
How much can I drink of it? Because I can't taste it.
It just kind of tastes like juice, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. It goes down like there's literally, it doesn't taste like there's anything in it.
Let me have some more. That is Mai Tai.
Oh. Actually, I don't think I've ever had a Mai Tai.
I'm pretty sure I like those.
We'll see. Another one that can get you in trouble.
I know. I think we got some good ones this round.
My go-to drink is always Malibu rum and pineapple juice, and this is what it reminds me of.
Oh, yum. Pineapple. Okay, that's really good too. We did good this round.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then this is the Peach Bellini. Move some of this stuff to the side. Can't get anything off the... That's really good too. Like, it's just good. It's definitely peachy. It just tastes like you're eating a peach.
You've been wanting a peach too.
I know. That's good. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Which one do you like the best out of these 4? The Woo Woo?
The Woo Woo. Just because it does, I can't taste any
Yeah, I can't either.
alcohol. I wonder if there's even alcohol in it.
No, there is. There's, is my phone right behind you? Vodka. And then the peach, or the frozen Bellini is peach puree and sparkling wine. Strawberry daiquiri, I'm sure you know. The strawberry, orange juice, rum. Oh, we have 4 more. Sex on the Beach, Iceberg, Sea Breeze, and Madras. Those will be the next 4, and then we'll be done. So let's get to drinking.
I just finished this one.
Oh my god, you didn't even let me have any. Tiffany!
And let's just say that it's about 10:30 in the morning.
Yeah, it's... Well, all of y'all are at work right now. This is us.
We're not gonna brag too much because it's gonna rain today.
Are you ready, Tiffany?
Yes.
We have Sex on the Beach.
Yep.
Iceberg.
Yep.
Madras.
Yes.
Something like that.
Sea Breeze.
Sea Breeze.
Alright.
Last 4.
I'm gonna just do this one and get it done and out of the
Okay,
way.
this one has beer in it, and we think it's gonna be
It's
disgusting.
gonna be disgusting. What did I tell you?
It's good.
It's not that bad. Amy was so afraid.
I wasn't afraid. I just think it's gonna be gross.
Definitely limey.
Cheers. It really doesn't smell bad. I kind of like it.
I told you it wasn't gonna be bad.
Unless it's just not mixed well. Okay, that's actually good. Alright, Sex on the Beach?
Yep.
I mean, I can definitely taste the beer in it, but it's not bad. That's pretty good. It's kind of like almost like a sweet tart taste to it.
Sex on the Beach. I wish I was. I didn't really care for Sex on the Beach.
It's not the worst one we've had, though.
Okay. Sea Breeze.
This is the one that's got grapefruit in it.
And I'm not a grapefruit fan. It's starting to rain. Ah. Oh.
I don't really like it.
No.
Yeah, not a big fan.
All right,
And
next.
then this is a
Madras.
Madras.
He's coming to get the things.
Thank you.
Can I see us? Yeah.
What was the last one?
Madras.
Oh, yeah. It tastes kind of like the other ones that we have. At least I think that's not one that we've tried, right?
No.
It tastes kind of like the Sex on the Beach.
Actually, out of all of them, this one is actually pretty good.
I think I like that one the best, too.
You know, it has beer in it. And it has a lime taste to it.
Yeah.
I do like it because it's a lot different than what we've been drinking.
I'm not really a beer person, and I kind of like that one best out of the four.
Yeah.
All right, we tried all 20 drinks on the drink menu.
Yes. And what would you say is your favorite out of all of them? I have it up.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to look at it again.
Margarita obviously is my go-to. But a woohoo I actually like.
I don't know. There's a lot. Maybe.
I like the woohoo.
What was the one that we liked? Was it the Bahama Mama?
Yeah.
I can't remember. I mean, a lot of them are pretty good.
Yeah, a lot of them taste the same, except for they just mix them with other things.
Oh my god, this starting to rain so hard.
It is.
So yeah, thank you for watching if you got this far. Make sure you subscribe.
See you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.